Hi everyone, MindFlareRetro here, talking at you from the wrong side of the camera, but that's okay. Today's a special day. It's giveaway day. Yes, my first ever YouTube channel giveaway. And what are we drawing for? We are drawing for the MUSTOOL MT-8206 digital multimeter with waveform display. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out my last video. And let's get to it because I'm getting really dizzy and I think I'm going to throw up. Okay, this is how this giveaway is going to go down. We are drawing for the MT-8206 digital multimeter with waveform display. And how are we going to pick our winner? With this. This is the C64 Mini. And many of you might be thinking, what the heck is a C64 Mini? The C64 Mini is a contemporary quarter-scale hardware emulator of the very famous Commodore 64 8-bit computer of the 1980s. Fellow retro computer YouTuber and friend 𝗚𝘗𝘲𝘗 has created a nifty Commodore 64 BASIC program called the 𝗷𝗚𝘴𝘬𝘴𝘀𝑟𝑜𝑛. The 𝗷𝗚𝘴𝘬𝘴𝑡ron's job is to randomly select one name in a given list. 27 people have entered this giveaway contest, and I have inputted all their names into the 𝗷𝗚𝘴𝘬𝘴𝘀𝑟𝑜𝑛. Now, just so you understand what's happening here, I'm about to press a key, and the 𝗷𝗚𝘴𝘬𝘴𝘀𝑟𝑜𝑛 will load all the names that have been entered into it. And from this pool of names, it will select a winner. So if everyone's ready, let's begin. And here's the name pool being listed. Only 27 people, so the odds are good. I will press a button to draw the winner in 3, 2, 1. And the winner is Chris Onkers. Hey, congratulations, Chris. You are the winner of the MUSTOOL MT-8206 digital multimeter with graphical waveform display. Ah, that was fun. A big congratulations to Chris Onkers, who has won the very first MindFlareRetro YouTube channel giveaway. Chris, I'll be in touch with you very soon so we can work out how to get this meter to you. Also, I would like to acknowledge and thank everyone who participated in this giveaway. I appreciate that you took the time to watch and review the video and took the time to participate. I really like doing this type of thing and giving back to my subscribers. As mentioned in previous videos, I don't have a live Patreon account yet, but if you wish to contribute to my channel in other ways, please see the links below. Contributions are used exclusively for bringing you content like retro computer fun and fix-it projects, as well as some electronics reviews and now giveaways. Congrats again to our big winner Chris, thanks to all who participated, and finally thanks to banggood.com, who was kind enough to donate this unique multimeter for review, which allowed me to give it away to you. Okay, I am out of here for now, and we'll be back with more retro computer fun and fix-it projects, so feel free to subscribe if you haven't already, and to my regular subscribers, thanks for sticking with me, and I will see you again soon.